my mentality has immediately transformed my life. Today, ladies and gentlemen, I want to share a powerful truth that has the power to instantly change your life and change mine. It all began when I realized that the way we think shapes the reality we experience. The moment I stopped blaming circumstances and instead embraced a growth mindset, everything shifted. I saw challenges not as barriers, but as opportunities for growth. I realized that failure wasn't the end, but a stepping stone to becoming stronger. With this one change in thinking, I unlocked new opportunities I never imagined before. What made this shift so powerful was learning to focus only on what I could control. Think about it. How much time do we waste worrying about things beyond our influence? I realized that this habit drained my energy and left me feeling helpless. But when I redirected my attention toward my actions, habits, and reactions, things started to change, immediately. Suddenly, setbacks didn't seem as overwhelming. Instead, they became moments where I could decide how to respond. When you make this shift, you become the captain of your own ship, steering toward success no matter the storm. Another key element of this new mindset is gratitude. It sounds simple, but it's life-changing. Every morning, I stopped focusing on what I lacked and started appreciating what I had, no matter how small. This practice rewired my mind. I began to notice how much beauty was already around me, and I attracted more positive experiences into my life. Gratitude creates a mindset of abundance, and when you feel abundant, opportunities seem to come naturally. The beauty of this shift is that you don't need special resources or conditions to implement it. It starts right now, with the way you think. Once you stop seeing life as something that happens to you and start seeing it as something you shape with your thoughts and actions, everything changes. When time reforms you, it happens instantly. Your relationships improve, your stress levels drop, and new doors begin to open. So I urge you, starting today, change your mindset, and you will change your life. Focus on growth, control only what you can, and practice daily gratitude. This shift doesn't take years to work, it happens the moment you decide to think differently. If I can make this transformation, so can you. Your best life is waiting on the other side of your mindset. Will you take that step today?